Okay, I'm just going to show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Volvo V70. So what we need to do, we need to go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is on, it's green at the bottom, switches over. Then we watch out here at the bottom, we go to telephone on the switches, no phone connected. Now, don't ask me why, but it's already searching for my phone, so I'm gonna click exit and show you how to do it. So it would normally come up onto that screen, connect with OK. There's no phone connected, connect with OK. So we click OK. Add phone, click OK. Make sure Bluetooth phone is in discoverable mode. Well, it is. Click OK. It's now looking, you see there, that's turning where the phone is. It's looking for the phone. The phone's discoverable. Now, bearing in mind, it might take a little longer because I've just deleted this phone from the system and now I'm pairing it again, so the car's probably thinking I'm an idiot. It's brought up Barry's iPhone 13 Pro there, so we click OK. Enter following passcode in mobile number 1096, but watch what happens. 1096 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Successfully paired, connecting, and then we just need to find it on here. Where is it? I think it was that My V back down there. You go, My Volvo connected. So that's it. That's how you do that.